Not sure what Instagram Instants are or how to use them? It's a feature that lets you share moments in a whole new way. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Instants on Instagram instantly. Let's get started. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. On your Instagram, tap on the message icon on the bottom menu. Tap on the Instants icon, which looks like a stack of mini photos, or it could be a plus icon peeking out from the bottom right corner. So Instants are photo story posts that will disappear. There's no viewer list, and reactions and replies are private. Tap on how it works. Tap on a photo to go to the next photo. Only you and the author or creator can see your reactions. You can also reply to the instant that someone posts, and only you and the creator can see it. You can choose your audience by tapping on the icon here, where you can share with your friends or close friends. You can turn on flash here as well, or flip the camera to use the front camera. Tap the shutter button to capture the photo and share it immediately. Take note that the instant will be posted immediately, and there are no filters or edit options. If you share an image by mistake, quickly tap on the undo here to take it away before anyone opens it. Your photos are automatically saved to your archive and recaps, and you can view them by tapping on the archive button here. These instants are saved for 1 year, and you can select images from this archive to compile an instance recap to post as a standard Instagram story. A fun way to use Instants is, so for example, if you are say renovating your house and you take an instant daily to show the process of renovation, and at the end of 2 months you can compile about 60 instants and post it as an Instagram story to highlight your renovation process. There you go. If this video helped you in any way, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Your kind support really means a lot to me. And before you go, check out these other 2 videos here to see if they help you in your daily life. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and bye bye.